Namaskar. July 16th is CSC Divas, and on this day I congratulate and I convey my greetings and heartfelt thanks to the thousands of people working and serving in the CSCs around the country. Common Service Centers are a mission mode project of the Digital India program of our government. CSCs are access points for the delivery of essential public utility services, social welfare schemes of the government, healthcare, financial, education and agricultural services, apart from a host of B2C services to citizens, especially in the rural and remote areas of the country. It is a pan-India network catering to regional, geographic, linguistic and culturally diverse people of our country, thus enabling our government's mandate of a socially, financially and digitally inclusive society. The role of the CSCs during the COVID pandemic has been exemplary. During the COVID pandemic, CSC VLEs have been at the forefront, creating awareness among citizens regarding the COVID appropriate behavior and registrations for vaccination. Through the CSC Grameen e-store and Aadhaar-based DigiPay services, village level entrepreneurs have been trying to provide essential items and cash withdrawals at the doorsteps of many citizens. During the financial year 2020-2021, VLEs have carried out 857.26 lakh transactions for withdrawing 10,463.59 crore rupees as entitlement money for Manrega, pensioners, Ujjwala beneficiaries, Jan Dhan account holders, farmers for PM Kisan Samman Nidhi and other funds for the citizens at their doorsteps. So on this day today, I again felicitate their service, I honor their service and I convey my greetings on behalf of my ministry to all those involved in common service centers and involved in serving the people across the country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
कारवां तो चल पड़ा है।
सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड से लेकर डिजिटल मंडी तक, छोटे शहरों में बीपीओ से लेकर ई स्कॉलरशिप्स तक,
कारवां तो चल पड़ा है। हाथ बढ़ा के तू भी चल।
हॉस्पिटल में ऑनलाइन अपॉइंटमेंट से लेकर टेलीमेडिसिन तक,
सबके पास है अब नई ताकत, सबके पास है अब नई ताकत। देश बन रहा है डिजिटल,
अब सब कुछ बिल्कुल सामने होगा, होगा सब कुछ सरल।
बिल पेमेंट से लेकर जीवन प्रमाण पत्र तक कॉमन सर्विस सेंटर से पाएं सभी सुविधाएं।
अरमानों में रफ्तार है, चल आगे जाए निकल।
नए पेमेंट सिस्टम्स, सरल हुआ व्यापार।
सबके पास है अब नई ताकत, सबके पास है अब नई ताकत। देश बन रहा है
डिजिटल इंडिया, देश बन रहा है डिजिटल।